This is Sean with the National Weather Service in Milwaukee with an update on the potential for severe thunderstorms this evening. We're looking at that potential across all of southern Wisconsin. The hazards include damaging wind and large hail, and the time frame is between about 7 p.m. and 12 a.m. The storms could produce isolated power outages and damage to trees and power lines. Here's a radar loop showing how thunderstorms could evolve later today. Keep in mind this isn't necessarily reality, but gives us a general idea of what we might see. And as you can see, storms push from north to south, impacting southern Wisconsin during the evening hours. The Storm Prediction Center has placed most of our area in a slight risk for severe thunderstorms, with a marginal risk for areas farther to the south and east. Here's a look at those risks across the state of Wisconsin, and here's what that means. Scattered severe thunderstorms are possible, however, they're usually short-lived and/or not widespread. The other thing we're looking at is the potential for rainfall. We've seen major flooding on the Fox River, although flood levels are finally starting to decline. However, it's going to take a while for the river to fall back below flood stage. Here's a look at the rainfall forecast through Monday. Amounts are generally expected to be light, although a few areas could pick up to an inch in thunderstorms. However, there's less risk for heavy rain in the southern Fox River basin, so we're not expecting any large increase or change in the river levels there from rainfall. We do have another potential for showers and thunderstorms, and that's from late Tuesday into Thursday, and some of those storms could produce heavy rain. However, there's still uncertainty as this is several days out, so keep up with the forecast. We'll also see warming temperatures, with highs reaching well into the 80s on Wednesday and Thursday, and heat index values potentially reaching the mid-90s in western portions of our area. So once again, we could see severe thunderstorms this evening, producing damaging wind and large hail. Keep up with the forecast, and we'll continue to update you here at the National Weather Service in Milwaukee.